Hi guys, welcome back, and welcome if you are new here. I'm doing a very simple, easy design today, just using a cat eye polish and these decals from TEMU, and it is a Born Pretty cat eye polish. I will link it below. It has hues of green, which makes it really gorgeous. It's not very noticeable in terms of the green color, but you can just see that there's something different about it, and it is gorgeous. I love it. So I will be putting this on all my nails, and I will fill you in as we go along. I'm going to put 2 coats of this polish on each of the nails. I'll come back when I've done that, and I'm going to use the magnet to push the shimmer down to the tips. So here's how they look after they've had 2 coats. I absolutely love this color. It's so beautiful, feminine and elegant. So now I'm going to pick a couple of these little flowers. Now you'll notice that I have taken a few out already. I actually gave my mum a manicure while she was visiting last week, and I couldn't wait. I had literally just hauled them from TEMU and I hadn't done the video yet. But I just wanted to use them because I thought they were so pretty. But I'm just going to go ahead and choose some flowers and place them on my nails, and I will come back to show you how they look when they're all done. Now I'm just going to seal them in with a top coat and they will be all done. Now I was just thinking of whether or not to put any jewels on, and then I thought it's a really elegant design, so I didn't really want to add bling. It looks really nice as it is, but I think I may add a little pearl on the little finger to go in between those leaves. What do you think? And here we go, guys, with the finished look, just finishing it up with some cuticle oil. These, I loved them. They are one of the most simple, easy designs to do. Basically just the pink green cat eye polish, which I think is gorgeous, and these simple little roses that from TEMU Decals are so easy to put on, and it gives a really classy, soft, dreamy, elegant look. That was a bit of a mouthful. What do you think, guys? I would love to hear your comments, or put a flower in the comments if you like the design and if you would wear the design. And I would really love to have you guys over at my Instagram page at Easy Nails by Rachel Lee. See you next time.